All right, today we are here at Dorney Park on a random Thursday. Why are we here on Dorney Park on a random Thursday?
Well, it seems Iron Menace track has arrived, and we are here to go look at the track, show off the construction site, show off all the prep work they're doing, and more. So follow me.
Welcome to our first construction update on Iron Menace, the brand new for 2024 roller coaster coming to Dorney Park in Wildwater Kingdom. Everything you're seeing right now is portions of catwalks, lift hills, pretty much anything possible. Those curved pieces are the top of the crest before you go into the drop. Lots of things are being prepped outside of the construction site in the overflow lot. And just a quick reminder, remember, do not go on Dorney Park's property while they are closed this off-season to try and look in construction. The park's uploading their own series, and so am I. Make sure to stay off their land. If you want to go see it, please stay on the roadway. Do not go onto any staging areas.
This is going on that side of the track over there. The piece that I was showing earlier, that's gonna go right here.
But yes, yesterday was a big day. Track showed up on site, and this track piece is number 3, and it is part of the brake run. You can see magnetic fins, and you can also see the friction brakes. Now as we head over into the main construction area, this area is a hard hat only area, so of course I had a hard hat on. We are looking at footers, lots and lots of footers.
Support for incline loop. You can see because it's sideways. Show off how huge footers are, and you can see them underneath. A lot of concrete base.
Beside all these footers, nothing else really has gone on in the construction zone. Pretty much just footers are being poured for now, and then right now they're also working on rebar work for the station building. A lot more is going to happen very, very soon, including the demolition of the current Rita's building, because that is a portion of the land that the roller coaster is going to occupy.
Stinger support, Iron Menace support.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. More Iron Menace updates coming your way.